how it's structured, this reminds me so much of my childhood, having to pop in Amiga format and then scrolling through them. The Microbes has an emulation score even of 124k, almost 125k, and Luigi coming in. Hey Luigi, how's the interviews doing? This game is shareware. They would ask for a donation because they spent a lot of time on this one, which is fair. Oh, how'd it go? You're having good feelings about those interviews, Luigi? We're trying to learn microbes now. Oh wait. That is microbes. Enticing gameplay right here. We have to beware so those things don't touch the rim of our circle. That's how the game works. All these games are gonna give me sore fingers, I can already tell. Okay, we gotta go in now from all sides, huh? This thing is spreading like a wildfire here. And we need to shoot all those spawns, but they can give us power-ups like better shots, I think more speed, score bonuses, I'm not sure. Something like that. It says 4 more of these. Oh, we need to kill a specific number of enemies maybe? I don't know. The HUD is not the easiest to read. It's a very enticing game, as I hope you guys can tell. Okay, we shot that. I don't know if we need to leave and be and collect them, or we're supposed to shoot them. Okay, as soon as all the big ones are gone, we're good. So, we want to clear the little ones so they cannot grow on the little ones. But as you can tell now, down here, we got very close, so we need to start curbing them a bit here. So they don't spread too far. I like also how the frame rate is starting to suffer a bit. And it's like, hey, oh dude, just at your own leisure, I want to tell you. Oh, what? They explode at a certain range and that already makes my shield take damage? That's not fair. I think shooting those upgrades, yeah, shooting those upgrades gives you nice stuff. Okay, I have a feeling that I have to shoot this at a very specific angle, which we just did, which is fine. Okay. Okay, they got funky patterns. We pick that. I don't think those spreading so close to the border here, though. We gotta get rid of the close ones first. This is so tiring on my hand. Okay, we just shot the big boy, and I don't know if that was a good idea, but we just did it nevertheless. It made quite the rocket for sure, that I can tell you. And now we need to try to get those in check here. But also warding off all the pesky little ones trying to get through. Oh yeah, and if they get just a little bit too close, yeah, it already hurts, that's not good. We don't even know. Oh, I think we just lost a life because it came too close here. Too much micromanagement. Please, Lord, let me finish this run in a way that I'm happy with it, because I don't want to do this again. And my hands beg me, same thing. Don't play this game for too long. I'm more than happy to oblige. I'm not switching to my pump because I can't take it anymore. Okay, but I think we're very close to the record. Record for this one is 123k, so we're gonna at least make that happen. That's nice. Everything else is just a cherry on top. There we go. Oh, we're getting funny angles now. I take it. I take it. I take the funny angles. The bonus level, or is it just a meme? I'm not quite sure as to what this can be seen. At what angle should I attack this one, though? Ah, okay. This angle. Okay, now we get exotic levels, huh? Oh no. This one totally got through. Oh, nice. We got bonus points. Hey, that's unfair. We're here. Okay, there we go. And now? Interesting. I had to use bombs. And I just learned that I can just hold my fire button. Imagine. Now if this guy were... There we go. Thank you so much. Maybe getting auto fire is a requirement. I don't know. This level looks tough, not gonna lie. So let's see how much I can take care of that infestation. This angle here. Oh my god. I'm just gonna clear him all with a bomb. That's what I got him for, right? Another question is, how do we reach this bad boy from here? Okay. He will hatch you to an enemy eventually anyway, so never mind. I knew earlier that I can just hold the fire button. This game would have totally been not wasting my endurance anytime before you were asking me to. So that's something. Oh, I think F is like full auto, so you get like super nice fire. He was about to hatch, you could tell. Ah, that's the way. Okay, so you can drift shoot. This proves to be quite the microbe infestation. For everyone who's just like, okay, this game is not cutting it for me, trust me, we're gonna have better games soonish, probably. But I say probably here because we don't know, do we? Okay, gotta do the drift shot here because we don't know. Thank you, devs, for this outstanding level design. Let's just clear him like this. Oh, what is this? A bomb? Oh, never mind. We're never gonna find out. It's done dead. Okay. You know what? When stuff is so close, you can just go there and take care of it. Hey, there you hatched. Alright. They're still hatching. Will they hatch? Come on. My problem for this whole thing is as to how I'm supposed to hit the last ones here. You see, I can hit some of them, but like the top ones, how am I supposed to hit them? Especially when they don't hatch. Please hatch. If we just get one by one, you know. Now they're about to hatch. Good, come on. Hatch up. You were the difficult ones here. Gonna get rid of you. Now, just need to somehow find a way how I can... Oh, that's a way. We take it. Bonus level. Oh, we missed a shot. Ah, nice bonus though. Yeah, are you guys going to pop all of a sudden? That would be nice. I just popped 2 bombs for nothing. There we go. Thank you kindly. Go, goodbye. Oh, right. We're back to the green microbes now. The OG microbes. He did one up there, he has like a teardrop or something in it. Yeah, this one. Maybe it was a glitch, it was just hatching. I'm gonna get rid of all of them because we don't have the resources to spend to care of them in a proper way. Come on, we already had this one. There we go. This one we couldn't change the fact about, but it's okay. Who knows? Maybe we will see the end of this game. I don't know. I've never played it that far, so I would know when the end is and how it looks like. But one can hope. Here we have to wait. Now, there's going to be a lot of enemies popping. Little bone crunch. You ready? I'd honestly loved this game when it came out for its colors. What can I do to make sure that I'll get all of them? Because this seems like an endless pattern of get fucked. Pressing up and down just pops the bomb. And now we have him. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, we're gonna pop a bomb here because I'm too busy to go up here. Deal with you weird microbes. Nice, we got them all. I'm not a fan of that pattern up there. Nothing I can do except for wait. Probably. So let's see, I can remove the corners and that's it, right? Yeah. Oh, let's wait. Alright, there we go. I hope we see Uga in voice again, because I wasn't able to show Uga Wakaliwood yet. He doesn't know what Wakaliwood entails. And he's in for the ride of his life. He just doesn't know it yet. Pop a bomb here. Now let's get rid of the first colony. There we go. Will you pop? You won't. That's what's up. There we go. Perfect. Let's draw the big circles here. The more you play this game, although it explains nothing, the more you understand it. It's just like you get a gut feeling for the game, I feel. My dream is to one day have a real Amiga, so I can start doing scores on the real hardware as well. That would be so nice. What's stopping you from getting one? Mostly space, Demi. We have a really tightly packed flat, and Cake and I would love to have like a bigger workspace. And the second thing is I would need to get good input from the Amiga community because I would love to have OG floppies, and I know that this is not really optimal and that people use Gotek or the USB and SD drives. And I'm not sure on what's the best way to get hardware done yet, and I would still love to like have it compatible with as many games as possible. And I know that some games don't work on an HA machine which has like more than 2 megs of RAM. Then I want to be able to play stuff I wasn't able to play back then because I only had like 1500 ECS. I never had the chance to play HA games. I want to be able to do that. And I would want a proper Commodore monitor along with it, of course. Just like 4 different Amigas, yeah. I mean, sometimes you get a good bargain, the people selling like their 500s, but like getting a 2000, 1200, 1500, they are somewhat expensive because people are just like, it's old. There must be a lot of money in it. They're not wrong about that. And a 4000 for the you got a 4000 for the Lulz? I wanna see you stream on it one day. I had never seen 4000 in action. Like my family gave up on Amiga sadly already when that was a thing, so. No real hardware for you, see, there you go. Yeah, I want it for scoring and for just the haptic. The haptic of Heinz and Amiga have everything, it feels. They do have everything. John and Tyler, right? Not Jack and, is it Taylor? Jack and Taylor. Yeah, I've been around their streams a lot. Problem is they're mostly streaming and I was having streams or events myself. So it was hard to be a lot in chat, but I had my fair share of streams with them. Yeah, they're super nice guys. Like, I love watching their content, they're very entertaining. I'm not a big fan of the Amigos, for example, because for me that they're a bit on the boring and strange end. And Pines just knows how to make it fun. And they got such a cool hardware setup with everything. It looks way too cozy, it just looks like you want to be with them, have a few beers and just have a good time. See Taylor go ham in real time. You just want to see it. We get so many ships, by the way, that I'm wondering if we're ever going to die, except for finishing the game, maybe, which is not considered dying at all. Hey, Cake, have a good course. I hope it's more interesting today than yesterday. And catch you later. Nekoyama is going to stream today as well, so... you guys are interested in some really cool retro and art stuff, gotta check out Nekoyama's stream later as well. That's where I can chill back and get on with my mod duties. And I'm not busy getting rid of microbes, which is very exhausting. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it right now. What is this pattern of epic proportions? I hate these. Oh, we cannot have more than 9? Okay, so next time we see a good opportunity to bomb, we're gonna bomb. Yeah, this sounds like fun map. I also want to do a Chaos Engine co-op run on Amiga Live, but I need to find someone who likes Chaos Engine and is willing to get far. Never seen the end of Chaos Engine. But why no real hardware for you, Demi? Did you grow up with a real Amiga though? today. Not doing too well as well. Okay, we don't get too many space for bombs anyway, so let's make one more space. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, looks good. We were able to do smaller. The impact area by a lot. Now I'm trying to segregate those. Oh, we managed to do that perfect and beautiful. We'll soon hit 1,000,000 points. Okay, we gotta kill this thing because this thing just makes new hatching grounds like mad. Come on. Epilepsy warning, by the way. Bit late, I'm sorry. Bit late. There we go. Oh, I accidentally pressed up and down while going left and right, which made me pop 2 bombs totally by accident, which is okay. Gonna get him back anyway, so never mind. Okay, that's an interesting pattern. Let's get rid of this one here first. Good. Oh, you boys wanted to have a party? I'm sorry I had to clean it up. Oh. Nice. Okay. Okay, we're not able to hit them. We just have to wait for them to hatch. Almost at 1,000,000 points, by the way, as well. Oh, nice. I'm sorry I had to do it this way. I got the full auto, which is nice on my hands. I like the full auto. I really like the full auto. Oh yeah, of course this guy, come on. Epilepsy warning, it's out. Oh, do we get this boy? Yeah, we get this boy. How about him? He was helping spread that infestation like mad. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah, last second we take him. Not a never. There we go. They're all about to hatch. Yep, they're all about to hatch. We got that one back, so it's all good. We gotta work from outside to inside. Otherwise, we're in deep trouble. Nice, we managed that really well. Nice. My headset's starting to give me shit. Also, I like how they pronounced shield wrong. Gotta admire them pronouncing shield wrong. I just used the bomb. Don't want to deal with those. Okay. Okay, we just lost life, which is fine, because we get bombs back. It's a trade I was willing to take. Oh no, of course not, there's the shitty sun in the middle. Get shield unstable. Don't throw those red boys at me and it won't be unstable. How about that, game? That was a quick level. We're not taking chances, so... We're getting interesting levels all of a sudden. But that's what the game's about, I guess. Oh, come on. We're at 9 again, so I needed to use one up. I'm sorry. The bonus rounds are for nothing, because you just get points which are very low in comparison to what you get when you just do levels, but... Take it. Can I just touch it? No, we have to shoot it anyway, so we shoot it. Okay. We've never seen these before. Well, that's new. Oh, that was quick. Oh, I'm gonna pop a bomb here. I was losing so much damage, health, that I wasn't even able to pop that bomb in time. This game. Oh, you see how fast they expand? Lullen. Who is this guy? And why is he shooting? No, we just died and the game restarts.